Here are 35 sentences about the culinary history of Utah. Utah's unique blend of Native American, European, and Mormon influences has shaped its distinct culinary identity. Early Utah settlers brought with them staple ingredients like cornmeal, flour, and salted meats. The arrival of the railroad in the late 19th century brought new agricultural products to the state, including wheat, oats, and barley. These grains became the foundation for traditional Utah breads like Parker house rolls and homemade biscuits. The Mormon Church's emphasis on self-sufficiency and community led to the development of communal kitchens and shared meals. Traditional Mormon dishes like fried chicken, mashed potatoes, and green Jell-O salad reflect the Church's Germanic roots. The state's Native American populations introduced settlers to new ingredients like wild game meats, berries, and root vegetables. In the early 20th century, Utah's agricultural industry expanded to include livestock and dairy farming. Beef was a staple of many Utah households, often served with traditional Mormon dishes like fried potatoes and gravy. Sugar beets, another important crop, contributed to the development of Utah's iconic sugar beet fries. Utah's unique geography has played a significant role in shaping its cuisine. The state's dry climate led to the growth of hardy crops like oats, barley, and wheat. The Great Salt Lake's abundance of salt-rich waterways also influenced the local seafood industry, particularly among those living near the lake's shores. Mormon pioneers often preserved foods for long periods through canning and pickling techniques. Preserving fruits, vegetables, and meats. Traditional Utah desserts like sugar beets cake and fried apple pies reflect this preservation method. The Church's emphasis on thriftiness and resourcefulness also led to innovative uses of food scraps, like turnip greens and potato skins. Today, Utah's cuisine is a vibrant reflection of its diverse cultural heritage. Dishes like fry sauce, which originated among the Mormon pioneers, have gained national recognition. The state's Native American populations continue to contribute new flavors and ingredients to traditional dishes like blue corn mush and wild onion soup. The growth of urban areas in Utah has led to an explosion of food options catering to various ethnic and cultural backgrounds. Salt Lake City's Chinatown offers authentic Chinese cuisine, while Provo's Little Italy provides a taste of Italian-American culture. The city's thriving food truck scene showcases innovative fusion cuisine blending local flavors with global influences. Utah's unique culinary identity is also reflected in its festivals and celebrations. Utah's Sugar Beet Festival celebrates the state's agricultural heritage, while the annual Pioneer Day Parade honors the Mormon pioneers who settled the state.